Part 1 covered the lateral and south goal. Now we get into the north goal, Tribune, Cafeteria Diamond, and something happening inside the second cantilever that changes the picture of where this build really is right now. Here is everything from the second half of today's update at Spotify Camp Nou. At the north goal Tribune corner, the slat support framework is advancing steadily with vertical connecting pieces placed across the sector. The visual curve of the superstructure here, where the slat line drops lower toward the Tribune section, is already clearly visible from the outside. The angle and drop of the slat line in this zone is one of the more distinctive design features of the whole exterior, and seeing it taking physical shape is genuinely exciting. At the north goal mid-section, drilling was confirmed active directly into the pillars today, with workers marking exact positions for the slat support attachment points. At the same time, 2 workers on an elevated platform were applying antioxidant primer to pernos on the beam surfaces. Both operations happening simultaneously confirms preparation for slat installation is accelerating here on multiple fronts. A spray gun was also visible in the upper section, with a worker applying surface treatment to the beam framework above, suggesting the full zone is being prepared from top to bottom in a coordinated sequence. At the north goal corner, the 2 left sectors are fully clad and complete. The right sector has all anchors in place, and painting is now confirmed actively underway, with a worker applying black paint using a roller between the beam sections. That painting is the last remaining step before slat installation can begin in the right sector. The pace of the painting work today suggests that gap is going to close very quickly. At the Tribune zone, a quieter day compared to other zones. 2 workers were on the central scaffolding carrying out alignment work on the beam framework. The right side slat connecting unions are still not installed. The left side nucleus has sandwich panels progressing, but the right side nucleus has not yet started. A delivery of new slat support pieces arrived today, staged near the cafeteria Diamond, confirming material supply is active, and the next phase is being prepared. At the cafeteria Diamond, the formwork repair and concrete work is still ongoing, with some sections needing to be repoured. Workers were active checking and measuring today, and additional formwork was confirmed still in place on the lateral face. Once fully concreted and cured, the waterproofing sequence can begin, and then inside the stadium. The second cantilever level gave us something genuinely new this week. Interior fit-out work is actively underway across multiple sections, with concrete block walls rising to create the first physical divisions for bathrooms, hospitality spaces, and storage areas. The floating slab process is also confirmed active, with workers laying the 4-span base layer, fitting the reinforcement steel, and applying the perimeter elastic band that thermally and acoustically isolates the floor. This is the same process seen in the VIP ring, and its presence here confirms the second cantilever interior is entering a serious fit-out phase. In the Tribune section, formwork was active on the logistical intermediate floor, with concreting underway. Near the north goal curve, walls are rising in what appears to be a future bar zone. Workers were active throughout the full circuit. Today, confirming fit-out is advancing simultaneously across every section. That is everything from today. North goal corner painting done, and slats next. Tribune progressing. Cafeteria Diamond concreting continuing. And the second cantilever interior rising for the first time. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe. You do not want to miss what comes next. See you then.